actually, that came about after my trip to the West Bank last year, when I went there to initially organize screenings, outreach screenings, to get audience reactions to it. And this was done again, with support from IDS. So when I was there for 2 weeks, I gathered lots of opinions, and I even showed the films to the characters then and interviewed them. So it only came about afterwards, and I started thinking that maybe the best thing to do with all this footage I have is to make a second film and kind of pull apart this idea that the film is always about one person's point of view. It's always the filmmaker's point of view. It's like, especially with documentaries, it's supposed to be so objective.
Right.
And it's supposed to be kind of representing reality. And so I wanted to sort of challenge this notion and, highlight that it's actually a very subjective view. It's always the filmmaker's view about somebody else's life. And I think that actually by making this film and giving the character in the film the opportunity to reflect upon how they were represented, kind of just kind of turns the whole idea around about subjectivity and objectivity in film. Also, I kind of think that the extra film made it more of a rounded view about each woman. So, in Thorns and Silk, you see a little snippet from their lives. But in the other film, you actually find out a lot more about their background and their context. So I wanted to give it that more kind of rounded view.